Manhattan resident Julia regularly cleans her home to fight dust and crime, but her daily cleaning routine could be impacting her health. In several acute cases, cleaning agents affect indoor air quality. Research has shown they can also trigger asthma. Just like Julia, almost all of us are making use of chemical based products in our everyday life. However, most of us are not even aware of the dangers lurking behind their toxic ingredients. Therefore, here at DTU, as a part of my PhD project, we have developed a systematic model based methodology for substituting these hazardous chemicals with environmentally friendly and safe ones. By simply making use of property models, activity coefficient models, and a comprehensive knowledge base, these substitutes can be identified through computer aided tools. For instance, consider ethylene glycol. This functions as an antifreezing agent in an automobile engine coolant, but it's toxic to the aquatic environment. Through the methodology and tools that we have developed, we can find a substitute for ethylene glycol just with a few clicks on the computer.